Today, 3D printing is more accessible than ever, but with so many 3D printers to choose from, how can you be sure that you are getting the quality and value that you need to get the job done? Introducing Rose Go 3D Printer, a truly reliable, fast, intelligent, and powerful desktop 3D printer. Rose Go is both elegant and functional, and its elegant industrial design is built around precision and performance. It supports a variety of print materials including color PLA, wooden PLA, or silver textured PLA, TPU, and PETG. Rose Go focuses on user experience. With our easy-to-use drag-and-drop software, models can be printed in just a few clicks. Rose Go is quiet. Using an advanced TMC 2208 chip mute drive, its motor produces virtually no sound at all. In addition, we also customized a silent fan, which makes the Rose Go 3D printer quieter than ever while still keeping its cool. Rose Go is intelligent. Rose Go has an automatic leveling function that makes necessary adjustments using an advanced software algorithm, leaving you free to concentrate on your creations instead of print setup. If filament runs out, Rose Go will stop and remind you to replenish it. When printing is done, models easily detach from the print bed thanks to a specially made PEI material that leaves the bottom of the print model perfectly smooth and flat. Rose Go is fast. Rose Go uses a Bowden drive system and relies on a solid, mechanical structural design for fast printing. A speed of 70 millimeters per second makes for a great printing experience, and the travel speed can reach up to 300 millimeters per second. From product printing to post-treatment water transfer coating, you just need 1 hour to test your idea with Rose Go. Rose Go is powerful. Instead of a standard 1.8 degree stepper motor, Rose Go uses a 0.9 degree motor with twice the precision, making the printing of 20 micron layer thickness possible. The core components of Rose Go are metal, which ensures machine stability, and its Z-axis clearance gap assembly greatly improves print quality and accuracy. The Rose Go can help you achieve better results in a robot competition, print out a solid workpiece, and work steadily and continuously. All you need to do is concentrate on the competition. With Rose Go, you can print unique decorations and make special gifts for family or friends on important occasions. Unleash your creativity, dream up whatever you can imagine, and leave the rest of the work to Rose Go. Rose Go is the culmination of our long-term research and development work. It combines both aesthetic design and engineering performance. It looks great, works great, and delivers affordable performance for everyone. Available now on Kickstarter for only $299. Please support us and start your journey of creativity now.